Let me in that bitch. Oh, nigga, what? Shit. Got me fucked up, shit. We gon' shoot that bitch up. Hey, I swear to God, bitch. Hey, I shoot this bitch, don't let her knock. Hey, don't let her shut out behind me, don't come back to the north. What the fuck they talking about? They gon' let me top in. Know I had my Glock out soon as I walk in. Want you for the month out? I'm gon' let it spark in. I pull up with the top down, with a daddy stick and some shit to distribute. White or blue, copy two. Demon baby inside that coupe man's down, tryna step on you. I want it all, that penny too. Bitch move, I'ma put this stick on you. That bitch get extra stitches too. Low down and dirty, only way to do. Homie shut that they be serving food. Mama can't walk, come to this house shit, they gon' serve her too. Catch him in that no, take his ass off, fucking put him on a blue. Diamonds in my mouth, screaming pissed off, bitch, I'm on the white and blues. Goon up, can barely chew. Fucking nigga shoot him in his ink. Miley came out pink, blood in the street till they gon' fuck the stink. Instinct is to kill, brains left in the street when a nigga fuck with me. Had to leave some up inside the now, tryna rap out something that dug with me. Bitch, you must think that I'm a horse. I'm here the next time that he gon' see me. What the fuck they talking about? They gon' let it top in. Know I had my Glock out soon as I walk in. Want you for the month out? I'm gon' let it spark in. I pull up with the top down, with a daddy stick and some shit to distribute. Get you a few, yo mammy too. Cock it back and do that do. No shell cases, he to improve. Made it out of middle school, but high ain't half the point or two. Niggas I been with for introduced to you. Step on heroin and step on food. Bitch, don't tell me what you gon' do. On that 8, I'ma have them waiting on you. Get a bitch to build a case on them, leave them stressed out on a steak cone. The bear mom turned to a state loan. Broke bitch, now you know you did that bad. Tryna beef, ain't even got no money. Now your family ass out in the ass. So stupid. She said I got that shit up in me, now she want me to beat her ass. Beefing with my bitch, so how I'm coming? I want you and your friend. Draco with a 70 round drumming. Come out there and party. Okay, Trey, bitch, you know that we the dumb. Think now we gon' fuck with something then. What the fuck they talking about? They gon' let it top in. Know I had my Glock out soon as I walk in. Want you for the month out? I'm gon' let it spark in. I pull up with the top down, with a daddy stick and some shit to distribute. Yeah, I'm passing all these hollows to you and you. Nigga cut down that cat boy and that skeleton too. With a drop out with his mop out, tryna murder something all he won't do.